Whether you're building your first algorithm or deploying a fully automated trading system, the Strategy Desktop gives you everything you need to develop, test, optimize, and deploy strategies in a single environment. Let's walk through the process. We'll start by opening a new Strategy Desktop. Select your preferred data feed and broker connection. You can use live connections or demo connections depending on what you're trying to accomplish. Once your desktop loads, we're ready to begin building our strategy. Click Add Strategy to Desktop. Give the strategy a name. Select your starting capital. Then choose the strategy you'd like to test. For this example, we'll use a simple moving average crossover. Once selected, Tickblaze will display all available strategy parameters. Next, we'll configure our risk management. You can use dollar stops, points, ticks, percentage, dollars per unit, and several other methods. For this example, we'll use a simple 20-tick stop loss and 20-tick profit target. Position sizing can also be configured using fixed quantity, fixed equity, or fixed fractional sizing models. Next, we'll configure our chart settings. Choose your preferred bar type, time frame, and execution settings. Then add the symbols you want the strategy to trade. You can trade a single market or multiple markets simultaneously. Next, we'll choose our execution model. Backtesting allows us to evaluate historical performance. Optimization allows us to test multiple parameter combinations. Live trading deploys the strategy into real-time markets. For this example, we'll start with a backtest. Select your date range and click Start. Once complete, Tickblaze provides a detailed breakdown of performance. You can review profit factor, average win and loss, drawdowns, equity curve, trade statistics, period breakdowns, and much more. One feature I personally like is the ability to identify which times of day are producing the best results. That can be incredibly useful when deciding when a strategy should actually be active. If you'd like to inspect the trades visually, open the Workspaces tab. You'll see every entry and every exit plotted directly on the chart. You can also review positions individually through the Positions tab and sort by metrics such as MFE, MAE. This makes it easy to identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Once you're satisfied with the results, moving to live markets is simple. Switch from backtesting to live trading and click Start. Tickblaze will load your workspace and deploy the strategy using real-time market data. From there, you can monitor positions, manage orders, review performance, and continue adding charts as needed. The Strategy Desktop gives you a complete workflow from idea generation all the way through live deployment. Build it, test it, optimize it, then deploy it with confidence.